Welcome back to the channel. Today I have something totally different for you guys that I picked up off Temu. And honestly, when this box arrived, I was blown away by how gorgeous it looks in person. If you love entertaining, hosting tea parties, or just enjoying a luxury coffee experience at home without breaking the bank, you are going to want to stick around for this one. Today we are unboxing and reviewing this European high-end exquisite ceramic coffee cup and plate set. This is a complete 6-set collection that comes with 6 matching light luxury ceramic teacups and their coordinating saucers or plates. Each cup holds a generous 8.45 ounces, or about 250 milliliters, which is the perfect size for a rich morning latte, a quiet afternoon tea, or serving guests after dinner. Taking a closer look at the design details, these have such a high aesthetic value. The porcelain has a smooth, glossy finish with intricate gold rim accenting along the handles and edges that gives off a major high-end vintage vibe. The cups feel solid and balanced in your hand, not flimsy or paper-thin like some cheap budget sets. Plus, the matching saucers double as cute little dessert plates if you want to pair your drink with a pastry or macaron. Whether you are looking to upgrade your kitchen aesthetic, elevate your weekend coffee routine, or find the perfect wedding, Mother's Day, or holiday gift, this set really delivers that luxury feel at a fraction of the cost you would find at high-end department stores. Everything arrived extremely well packaged in protective foam, so you do not have to worry about anything breaking during transit. If you want to pick up this set or check out more home finds on Temu, I have a special perk for you. Make sure to use my exclusive code COM93176 at checkout for a special discount on your order. That is COM93176. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of this set, and I will see you in the next haul.